In other news now, the Andrew Holness-led administration continues to come in for criticism from the opposition PNP for its stewardship of the country. Among the issues raised at a recent tour in St. Thomas, crime. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
More than 50 Jamaicans have been murdered since the start of the year. That adds up to 3 murders each day, a 30% jump over the number recorded during the same period last year. For former Minister of National Security Peter Bunting, the continued bloodletting is proof that the Holness administration does not have the answer for crime. The Central Manchester Member of Parliament raised the issue on Thursday evening as the PNP stopped in St. Thomas as part of its 5-day all-island tour.
After running a state of emergency for 2 years and it isn't working, murders are increasing now. They increased last year, 2019, over 18, and this year it started again on the wrong foot. What next for the JLP to try?
PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips continued the criticisms of the government, but he focused on the developments in the House of Representatives earlier this week.
To manipulate the Parliament and to cover up the crisis in CMU and the plunder and corruption that was taking place there.
The PNP is eager to put on a show of public unity following a fractious leadership race last year and has included the recently recalled Dr. Dayton Campbell in the tour party. The tour is part of the party's pre-election campaign.
We are here as a team together to show that we are ready now to put a serious alternative to the people of Jamaica for better governance.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.